तो इनकी तो रायन जो हमारे क्रिएटिव डेवलपमेंट हेड है, उन्होंने मिलाया था मुझे शशांक से। और जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिली थी तो सबसे अट्रैक्टिव बात ये लगी थी कि स्क्रिप्ट की टाइटल तब थी हम्टी शर्मा की लव स्टोरी। तो मुझे वो नाम बड़ा अनयूजुअल लगा, हम्टी शर्मा। तो मैं पढ़ने लगा एंड आई रियली लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट एंड आई फाउंड इट अ लॉट ऑफ फन। तो टाइटल इनका है, सजेशन टाइटल का इनकी, बस हमने थोड़ा बहुत उसे मॉडिफाई कर दिया और दुल्हनिया बना दिया, बिकॉज आई जस्ट थॉट इट वाज मोर एप्ट फॉर द फिल्म। तो लव स्टोरी हमने निकाल के दुल्हनिया डाल दी। तो इसलिए हम्टी शर्मा का जन्म इनसे हुआ है। आप इनसे पूछें अपनी हम्टी नाम उनको कहाँ से मिला।
अच्छा, ये फिल्म बनाने का डिसीजन आपने कब और क्यों लिया?
मैं एक बार बेहोश हो गया था और जब मैं होश में आया तो मैं हम्टी 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 चिल्लाने लगा। तब मेरे जहन में बात हुई कि मुझे एक फिल्म बनानी चाहिए जिसका नाम है हम्टी शर्मा की दुल्हनिया।
अच्छा, आप ऑडियंस को क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं इस फिल्म से?
Alright, someone else. Can we have someone else with a question?
Hi, I have a question each for Varun, Alia, and Karan.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Varun, first for you. Not in such a filmy fashion, but have you fought for love in real life in another man?
Of course. Varun fights for love every week.
Oh, like that. Please, we want to know more. Karan, please add if you want to.
I will not add, but Varun will tell you.
Fought for love, yeah.
That's why they call him Humpty.
Okay, now inputs, Varun.
On a serious note, because when you're fighting for love, it's a bit serious. Once, then I was in love during, I don't have anything once. No, but it happened like when I was in college, I was in love with this girl, and her father actually didn't want me to be with her because he knew I was getting into films or something. So he told me that he's a heart patient and they come from a family which is very decent. So he told me that you should back off because I want to get her married like early and stuff. So I said, sir, nothing will happen to you and all. Let us at least try. Because he's saying the heart portion, what do I say? So then eventually I think the girl didn't fight enough for love. So she only went away. So that's why I'm here. Otherwise I'd be married by now.
Oh, that's serious. Okay.
No, I'm kidding here.
Okay.
And that man is still alive, I think.
Still alive.
Okay, Alia. Now a Dharm Sankat question. The selfie that you took with Varun, is it a notch better than the one that you took with Arjun otherwise?
I didn't take a selfie, I took a humphy. So it's not the same thing.
Okay.
You can't
Okay.
compare the two.
No? Very smart answer. You got away.
And Alia is in 2 states.
Okay. Now, Karan, you've always said that no, Kareena and Alia both are your favorites, and she reminds you a lot of Kareena. Here, she got to actually play a Kareena fan, and she has this whole scene where she says, "Bachpan se hot tu," which reminds you of very Pooh Kareena style. Does Alia do a Kareena better than Kareena herself?
There can be only one Kareena, as we all know that. Not only am I a huge fan of hers on celluloid, but I love her as a person. Kareena and I are extremely close. And when I say that Alia, I mean, when people make those comparisons, because they both have an inherent sense of a certain natural energy and a certain spark and spunk, but they're very different actresses. And Kareena has carved such a tremendous niche for herself that I don't think she should be compared to anyone. And I think it's unfair for Alia to be compared to someone who set the bar so high. She still has a journey ahead. And I'm sure that eventually she will have an individualistic charm about her, and maybe someday someone will ask us whether, oh, you're so like Alia Bhatt, and I hope that day comes very soon.
Yeah, good afternoon to all of you. Yeah, Vijay Shankar here, right here. Yeah, Mr. Shashank, what's been your experience working with Karan, Alia, and of course, Varun?
It's been fun. It's been a good team. What I was very sure of when I was starting the film is that let's form a young team and let's make this film with a lot of fun and energy. And I think we've managed to do that. And rest of it, I think, will be seen on 11 July, how everyone else enjoys it. But we've had a good time. Varun and Alia have been great. They've been fun. They've been given complete 100% commitment to the film. And Karan's been a great producer. So it's been fun.
Did you aspire earlier to work with Karanji? How
Yes.
long? Okay.
I was very clear that I would want to make a film for Dharma one day. I think most aspiring directors have that dream. And I was fortunate enough that Karan liked my script and I'm here today.
Yeah, now to anti-hero. What would you like to say about your experience in this?
Firstly, I'd like to thank... All right. Firstly, I'd like to thank Shashank and Karan for having me on the film.